It's Vlogmas! Rudolph, jingle bells, jingle bells, jingle bells. And I care about the presents about the presents under you. Ho, ho, ho. Jingle bells, jingle around the block. Good morning. It's Vlogmas day 18. Okay, this morning I'm making smoothies. This mix you can already buy pre-made from Pick and Pay. It comes in little pellets, and then you either just add some fruit to it or some juice, and you're good to go. So I'm gonna pour out some pellets. I'm gonna add some grapes here. Lots of grapes. This is actually a good substitute for juice because mostly juices have grapes as their base. So that's good. And then I'm gonna add a tiny bit of pineapple juice, tiny bit. Okay, up until here. And then we shall squeeze and pulse. Ooh, there we have it. Yum. Ding. Okay. I'm also going to add my green stuff powder. I always forget this, but it's really good. It has 50 superfoods and a lot of goodness. Okay. choosing. Let's see which colors will I pick? Yeah, it's fine.
It's just the white bottles.
Oh,
You trusted.
yeah. I think like this one, or maybe a pink, or maybe that. Let's get a pedi.
Seeing eyes of mine, what do you feel beside? I don't know where we're gonna fly like you did sometimes. Seeing eyes of mine, love, 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 I wanna be strong, strong. We're doing wrong, 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 but I'll try to fix it. Love, 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 I wanna be strong, strong. We're doing wrong, 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 but I'll change it, change it. Seeing eyes of mine, you see, there are no trees inside of me. In this desert, I can look at you with love. Seeing all that I can learn. Can you stay and I will grow, grow the hanging gardens of Babylon. Love, 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 I wanna be strong, strong, strong. We're doing wrong, 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 but I'll fix it, fix it. Love, 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 I wanna be strong, strong, strong. We're doing wrong, 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 but we'll change it, change it. I would like to tell you my mysteries. I would like to go with you into the street. Please don't deny your love makes me feel alive.
And I'll show you the after. All done. I feel so refreshed. Yes, darling. Birthday is loading. So I came to Sorbet to use up my birthday voucher. Now we are trip ready. Feet are done. Face is done. Let's go. Hey. What am I doing?
Well, yeah, fixing shirts. The button on the shirt also do.
And I wonder what happened.
Well, the button just cracked.
I wonder what you were doing to crack it.
Nothing. It was like that from the shop.
Liar, liar, pants on fire.
Little liar.
You were caught up in a heated moment and you forgot that you had a button-up shirt and you went ta-ta. And now I'm stuck fixing it because I'm that good friend, aren't I?
You're a very sweet friend.
I'm gonna charge you for this.
Oh dear. How much is that going to be then?
An arm and a leg.
Literally?
And a purse and some shoes and a dress.
I think the second part will be literal.
Of course it is. I never joke around.
Oh boy.
You know what makes it 10 times harder is these nails. Wow. For the first time, the statement, how do you do that with long nails, is real. Because threading this thing was a mission, and now trying to pass it through these tiny holes is another mission. But oh well. It must be done. You can cut it now. Oops, I almost forgot to film my advent calendar, guys. So I already got the chocolates. Let me get the Essence product quickly. It says, come on, kiss me, darling. Ooh, is it a lipstick or a lip balm? Color changing lipstick. It smells like grapes, yummy. But it feels more like a lip balm than a lipstick. Like a moisturizing color changing lipstick that immediately turns from black to pink on the lips. Okay. Cool. Guys, I'm so tired. I just took out all my makeup. I finished buttoning or fixing the button on his shirt, and I've just dropped him off at the station. So I gotta quickly pack my bag and call it a night because I'm traveling tomorrow. And I'll see you guys on the flip side. Do you want to see me packing my bags? Let's see. Okay, here's my bag. It's currently empty. And I'll show you when I'm done. Guys, I'm so tired. I just finished packing my bag, but it's not closed because I still have to use it really early in the morning and then put the last few things like toiletries and then zip it up. So I'm gonna call it a night. So guys, I want to encourage you. Some of you may or may not know that last year we did a fundraiser exactly at this time because Facebook even reminded me in my memories. It's a 1-year anniversary. We did a fundraiser for a really brilliant but underprivileged pharmacy student. This guy is a distinction cum laude student. He gets nothing less than 75 in every module. Like, he's really gifted and brilliant, but he lacks financial assistance. So last year we managed to raise 50,000 rands on the Click to Donate GoFundMe platform. Plus some other people donated directly into his student account. This year the goal, so he passed. He had like 80% average. And again, like, we just got his results like 2 or 3 days ago. So I've set up another GoFundMe page because he was in 3rd year, now he's in 4th year, and that's his final year. And he needs your help. He needs all of our help. The school fees in the last year are even more. We've set the page for about 80,000, and that includes the tuition, the on-campus accommodation, books and whatever he may need for school, because we do externship stuff, and you know, it always adds up. And then plus living allowance, so his day-to-day meals, and just, you know, soap and like everything. So guys, please, please, please search your hearts, find your Christmas or festive holiday spirit, find your generous gene, and please follow the link. I'll put it up on the screen or in the description bar below. And yeah, if you don't have the means to help financially, please at least share the link, share the video to your people, to your platforms. Let it spread. You know, there might be somebody in your circles that is able to gift or to donate, or who has another contact, or who knows somebody somewhere that could truly assist or offer him a bursary or whatever. The reason why we cannot apply through NSFAS or any of the local funding or bursary programs is because he's not a local citizen, and those are always only for citizens. He's from Zim. So none of that is accessible. We've already tried Clicks bursaries, Discam. We've already tried all the scholarships, all the NSFAS, all of that. So because he's not a citizen, he doesn't have access. So let's push him through, guys. It's the final year. He needs to register in January and then complete the last 12 months of his pharmacy degree. And then he'll qualify, go on to do his internship, and hopefully spread his wings and be a pharmacy free bird and fly on away. So yeah, guys, what better time than now? What better way to give back? Random acts of kindness, random acts of generosity, sowing seeds into other people's lives, especially if you want to see flourishing of your own seeds or of your own life in certain aspects, you know. So yeah, I encourage you all to do that. Thank you in advance to all those who have already started to donate. And yeah, guys, let's spread the magic. Let's be the change we want to see. Let's be the helping hands we need. And let's change this man's life. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Good night. Wish you a Merry Christmas. I wish you a Merry Christmas. I wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Merry Christmas.